What is up, everyone? Welcome in. Welcome to Not Your Father's Capital. I'm Mark. I hope you guys are all doing splendid. It's Christmas morning. I wanted to get a quick video out for you guys before we start stuff up with the family. Hope you guys are all doing well. Enjoy this time. It's very, very special this time of year. But let's get down into what I want to talk about within XRP. Okay, I've been making a lot of videos, a lot of content surrounding XRP, but this is something that we need to talk about. So you're going to want to stick around to the end of this video. I'll keep it short and sweet, get you guys on your way. But guys, remember to subscribe down below. It really does help us here on YouTube. It's a gift that keeps on giving, really truly is. But other than that, please subscribe and smash that like button as well. And if you guys all hold XRP, as always, put those X's down below in the comments box. And let's get into it, guys, okay? So what we're seeing basically within XRP is for the first time in 6 years, XRP may end December in profit. Well, that's kind of fascinating to think about if you look at what XRP has been doing, and you look 6 years ago, and we have not had a December where we have had profit. So I had to pull up the chart just to show you guys exactly if this is a possibility. XRP currently trading at that at that 64 cents range. But this is the all-time, guys. I'm going to show you right here, right now. As we look at XRP, and we look back into December's, I'm going to show you guys back in 2022, if you can see this on the chart. A little bit higher than we were. And then December of 2020 was a little lower. But what's interesting to note is when we hit this stride, it seems like January and February always had a takeoff. If you look at the chart a little closer, okay? And if we even go back into, the only outlier might be, if we even go into December of 17, which is probably the 6-year mark that they're going back to, this is where we saw that huge explosion, where we had eventually the turning of the corner into that bull cycle where XRP got as high as $3 and beyond, okay? So it's kind of fascinating to look back at historical trends like that, especially if you're trying to look into, hey, should I be buying XRP to start off my year in 2024? That's what it comes down to when you look at some of the historical trends repeating themselves, okay? But I think 2024, in a sense, is going to be an outlier in a way, because I don't think there's going to be a lot of the macro factors and the broader crypto factors that are affecting the market, I think, more so this year than we've seen in crypto's past years, okay? Let's get down into it, guys, and remember to subscribe if you have not already done so. I want to share with you this article, though, about the 6 years, because this is where you're seeing XRP concluding in the profit zone, okay? This is coming out from CryptoRank's price history data. You can see the graphic where we saw basically closing out December with losses since 2018, and then seeing that 2020 dip. Like I said, guys, over 66% back in December. So you can see right here, down 23.3% in November, and then another 16.8% in December. But then it's also important to note that once we have these bad, if you look at if you're looking at this chart, okay, the column on the far right is the month of December, going down from years recent to years past. Okay, that's how it's sorted. Now you see all these red numbers, and now a lot of things go into it, and even smaller green numbers on the smaller side in December. So a lot of things go into it. A lot of shuffling of crypto, a lot of liquidations go on for tax purposes, so on and so forth. Okay. A lot of people, whatever reason, people would have to sell crypto. Okay. But more so, that's probably the biggest thing, is just shuffling. Because then we get into January, guys, and look what happens in January. You have bad Decembers. Go back, January of 2018 is probably the outlier where it's just got wrecked, down 49.4% again. Okay. But you also have to understand that January in 2018 came after having an 818% increase in December. So it seems like if we have big gains in December, we have a little bit of selling off going on in January, and if we have a sell-off in December, we have a very good January of that next year. Okay. So that's what I want to put in perspective for you guys, because if you guys are looking to buy XRP into the new year, that's something where this graphic can be of some help. So obviously, I can't include this graphic for you guys in my comments, but if you want to check it out, just kind of just do the math. If you can look at the chart, you can figure it out but for yourself, or you can go on CryptoRank, and there will be this graphic there for you guys, okay? But what it comes down to, guys, is more so than the historical trends. You have to understand that XRP closes out the year on a good note, and that's something that's worth celebrating. Any win in crypto is a win worth celebrating, especially coming out of a bear market. It's something where we don't get those as often, as we're not as used to it as we were back in 2021. So kind of want to commend XRP and some of the other cryptos we talk about. Just really, there really hasn't been a hard time for me to cover crypto that I talk about every day in saying, yeah, this is a horrible year. This has been a bad year. This has not been a good way to end the year. It seems that every single crypto we pretty much talk about on the channel has had a very strong recovery. Maybe not the all-time highs. I think that's something where, inevitably we have a long road to go with that. But if you look back at them, guys, we're closing 2023 and getting into some of the bigger catalysts in 2024 on a very high note, okay? It's going to be an exciting year for crypto. I hope you guys are all doing well. Enjoy the holiday. We're going to have plenty of content to close out this year and beyond, so never miss a beat. Check us out on X. The handle is in the bottom left. Never miss a beat. Remember to subscribe, though, down below on YouTube. It is really important to us here on the channel. I appreciate you all, and we'll see you guys all in the next video.